Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. You have to start by open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another device, it will enter to prank mode automatically and you will see it as device list. As you can see right here, I have it. But also we can enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of the earbuds, right here at the top, we have SOUNDCORE logo on both of the earbuds. And this is actually a touch RES. You need to press and hold on both of them at the same time for at least 3 seconds. And you will enter to prank mode manually. So just 1, 2, and 3, and it will enter to prank mode also, and you will see it as a device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.